Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about 3 of the best and most creative photography apps for Android devices. Now all of these apps are available for free download from Play Store. So without any further ado, let's just get started. First on the list is Plotaverse app. This app is a mastermind app. You must have seen moving images on Instagram or some other social media. The pictures that talk, that tells exactly how beautiful an image can be. Let me show you an example. So this is an image made by myself with Plotaverse app. Isn't it amazing? Like the sun is just there and the river is flowing so beautifully. Now here we have the interface for the app. The interface is not so great, but the actual app is so much useful. Let me show you some live example of how it works. As you can see, a beautiful image coming to life. Share it on your social media and there will be surely one comment saying, "Man, how'd you do that?" Now next on the list is Snapseed. Now this is the name you might have heard because it's from the Google. Google has invented this app just for us editors to create something beautiful using this app, and this app's interface is awesome, like so good and so reliable. You quickly load up a picture and see instant filters coming in. You could choose from them, however I recommend editing the original one. So here are a bunch of editing tools to play with. Let me also play with the tools and show you an edited image using Snapseed. You can also explore the filters and come with the sickest edit using just one app, and this app is crazy. You could spend days using this app and come with the sickest picture you can edit. Last but not the least is an app I've been using from a few days. Now this app might be the sickest of all mentioned because you can blend images and make freaking posters with this app. This app is crazy. This app has the lightest of interface, but it's loaded with the thickest of features. You can also watch tutorials on this app. There are tons and tons of tutorials here on the app. If I have to rate between these 3 apps, I'll pick like 9.5 out of 10 for LightX, 9 for Snapseed and 9 for Plotaverse. Plotaverse lacks in interface except that it's a crazy app. So guys, this was it for today's video for top 3 photography apps on Play Store. You have to have these apps in your phone and you have to explore these apps to make great edits and sick images. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you like this video, and if you did, thumbs up the video, comment and share this video.